Hi, I'm Lewis. Welcome to Gravitic Alchemy. What if I told you comets disprove the Big Bang? How? Because comets carry water, minerals, and complex carbons from the very beginning. They expose several fatal flaws for the Big Bang. The chemistry is too uniform to come from scattered debris. Their minerals are too complete to come from dead star cycles. The distribution across the solar system is far too broad to require an Oort cloud. Their plasma behavior appears too fully formed, not the product of slow cosmic evolution. In short, comets preserve the first matter, not recycled stardust. That alone collapses the Big Bang and the entire Lambda-CDM story behind it. These aren't dirty snowballs or leftovers from some imaginary Oort cloud. They're the evidence of how God's creation actually happened. Now hear me out. The Bible says, in the beginning, the earth was without form and void, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. So we know there was no solid ground yet, only still waters, until God moved or vibrated them. When God said, "Let there be light," that vibration moved the water to produce what science calls cavitational collapse. In that moment, light and matter first appeared through a process called sonoluminescence. When God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters," that was not a small local event. Think much, much bigger. This was the creation of the entire cosmos inside of a bounded continuum of newly mineralized waters. This electrolytic expanse, now containing every element of the periodic table, driven by a rotating external water field, qualified as a plasma, a real medium capable of carrying charge and wave energy. Acoustic waves from the waters above structured everything in the cosmos, forming the cosmic web. That acoustic energy then fractalized into smaller scales, organizing the galaxies, the stars, and finally the planets. Modern science actually confirms the inference. Every comet we've studied, from Halley to 3I Atlas, carries water mixed with minerals and carbon compounds. That chemistry fits the universe born from a collapsing water, not an explosion from nothing. So what does that mean? It means creation didn't begin with chaos or space-time or dark matter. It began with motion, sound, and light inside of a real physical medium. That's the true beginning of everything. Read the evidence in Comets, Remnants of Creation, and Cymatics and the Cosmic Web at graviticalchemy.com. If you like what you heard, hit the subscribe button. This is my first video. Don't get mad at me for stuttering. Later.